right, this is homework practice 12-6. So we're measuring again with centimeters and meters. You can use a meter stick to measure length in meters. Step 1, line up a meter stick with one end of an object. Step 2, mark the spot where the other end of the meter stick sits on the object. Step 3, then move the meter stick so that zero end starts where you marked it. So you need to put it down. You don't actually need to make a mark, but you maybe put your finger there or put a little something on the ground so you can measure. So this shows that this table is about 2 meters long. So you measured one here, pick it up and measure again. Okay, estimate the height or length of each object, then measure. The length of a table. So we know this table up here is about 2 meters long. So that could be our estimate. And at my house, and it's all going to be different, but at my house, it is actually 4 meters. I've got a very long dining room table. So I've got 4 meters as my dining room table. Estimate the height of a chair. I'm going to say the chair is about 1 meter. And when I measure it, it's about 1 meter. Okay, length of your room. You're going to estimate your room. I'm actually going to do my son's room, and I'm going to estimate that it is about 4 meters long. And then when I actually go through and measure it, it's about 5 meters long when I go through and measure their room. And again, everybody's going to have different answers on this one than what I actually have written down. Okay, number 4. Sarah put bean plants by a window with sunlight. She watered them every other day. Sarah measured the height of the plants after 3 weeks. Do you think they measured 12 centimeters or 12 meters? So a bean plant. So we have a little bean plant and the bean plant grows. So let's see, 12 centimeters. Let me grab this. 12 centimeters is about to right there on my pen. Okay? Or 12 meters would be really tall, like way taller than your house. So after 3 weeks, I know that 12 centimeters is going to be right because bean plants don't grow that tall. So 12 centimeters because bean plants can't grow that tall. Okay? What would be a reasonable estimate for the length of a calculator? Length of a calculator, again, we're just estimating. My estimate, I'm going to look at my ruler. Most calculators are about 10 to 12. So I'm going to estimate about 12. And then if you've got a calculator at home, you can actually go through and measure it if you'd like to. Okay, higher order thinking. Do you need fewer centimeters or fewer meters to measure the height of a doorway? Explain. So meters are bigger. So we need fewer meters because it's a bigger measurement. Okay, now let's look at 7, our assessment. Which measures are reasonable estimates for the length of a bedroom? Choose all that apply. 4 centimeters. Let's see, is your bedroom 4 centimeters? I hope not. That's like half the size of your thumb. So that's not going to work. 30 centimeters. Let's take a look at 30 centimeters. That's about the size of a ruler. Hopefully your room is much larger than that. So the other two are 3 meters and 4 meters. 3 meters 6 is about right, or about 4 meters. Those are reasonable estimates for how big a bedroom might be. All right, great job, everybody.